Hello friends! Today's tutorial shows how to rearrange and delete pages from PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. First, we'll quickly check for security restrictions that may prevent you from making changes. Then we'll open the Organize Pages tool. Next, we'll rearrange pages. Lastly, we'll delete pages. These steps apply to the current desktop version of Adobe Acrobat for PC and Mac. These steps don't apply to the older non-subscription versions of Acrobat or Adobe's free PDF display software, Acrobat Reader. If your PDF is restricted, you might not be able to rearrange or delete pages. Therefore, you may want to check for restrictions before starting this process. To begin, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and then select Menu on a PC or File on a Mac, followed by Document Properties from the drop-down menu. When the Document Properties dialog box appears, ensure you are in the Security tab, and then review the Security Method and Document Restriction Summary, and select the OK button. Now select All Tools in the Global toolbar, and then choose Organize Pages in the All Tools pane. The Organize Pages screen will appear and show thumbnails for each page in your document. Before we move on, note that Organize Pages is also available in the Edit pane, which is accessible from the Global toolbar. To move an individual page, click, hold, and drag the thumbnail to its new location in the thumbnail grid. And then release your mouse or trackpad when you see the placement indicator, which is a vertical blue line, in the correct location. To move multiple pages at once, select the first page thumbnail, hold the Shift key, and then select the last page thumbnail to select a consecutive range. Alternatively, you can hold the Control key on a PC or Command key on a Mac while selecting non-consecutive pages. And then click, hold, and drag one of the selected thumbnails to move the entire selection. And once again, release your mouse or trackpad when you see the blue line in the correct location. To delete a page or pages, select the individual thumbnail, or select the first thumbnail, and then hold the Shift key to select a consecutive page range. Or hold the Control key on a PC or Command key on a Mac to select non-consecutive pages. And then select the Delete button. A dialog box should appear asking if you want to confirm the deletion. Select the OK button. If you only want to delete one page when the Edit pane is closed, you can also right-click the page on a PC or Control-click the page on a Mac, and then select Delete Page from the shortcut menu. Lastly, scroll through the page thumbnails or the document itself to make sure the pages are in the correct order and the unwanted pages are gone before saving the PDF. All the steps we just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlist, How to Use Adobe Acrobat, and How to Use Microsoft Word. If you found today's video helpful, please leave me a comment with any other writing-related software topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and of course I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.